All right, so let's go a little bit deeper. So we talked about artificial intelligence as a whole, and we talked about how machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence. Now we're going a little bit deeper into neural nets. This is where it gets serious. There's some seriously crazy, spooky, alien type shit happening at this level. It gets crazy, man. So neural nets is a computational model with interconnection. So it looks like this. Again, we don't have to go super deep into this. If you're a machine learning engineer, you need to go deep into this. If you're a data science who's using AI, you need to go deep in this. If you're designing machine learning from scratch, you need to go into this. If you're designing your own AI based off of Olama or something like that, you probably need to go way deeper into this. But for our purposes, I just want you to understand what a neural net kind of looks like. It has an input layer, it has a hidden layer, and it has an output layer, right? The input layer just receives raw data. That can be your prompt, it can be a PDF that you uploaded, it can be logs, security logs, seam log data, whatever. It's raw data being put in. It could be a picture, whatever. That's the input layer. The hidden layer is where the magic happens. This is where the data processing happens, and it's built just like a human brain. The human brain is based off of neurons. Those neurons break apart complex patterns, and that's how we're able to think. And all they did was mimic. It's not trivial. Like I say, it's all they did, but this is not like a small feat. They mimicked the human brain's ability to have axons, neurons within the brain that break down complex issues. It take a 10-step problem, break it into 5 different parts, and then be able to take a complex issue and make it more simple. And then once it does what it does, it'll give you an output, right? That is a neural network. So ANN is an AI neural network. And there's several different neural networks you'll have to know for the purposes of the CompTIA Sec Plus, the Sec AI Plus.